Hey guys, it's Dave and Bob from Bewdley.
Good day, eh?
Ghetto Van Adventures, and we're trying out Ray Ray's in Port Hope, Ontario.
It's a wheel adventure.
Trouble. Right there. Don't let anybody say different.
It's not true. It's all lies, rumors, and innuendos. I don't know which one's whose. I haven't drinking out of
That's mine.
Is it?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so this here is a small fry, and the friggin' thing is huge, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
What is that? Oh, it's like a little
some
dipping
kind
sauce.
of a dip.
And that is deep fried cheese curds. Put the bottle beside that so they get an idea how big that is. See that? It's a big amount of cheese curds.
This pop also is available at Sobeys if you want to buy it.
Yeah, there you go.
And it's excellent. Soda, pop, whatever.
Open that up. Take a show for everybody. And that's the that is the Mexi dog. Isn't that dirty looking? That is friggin' awesome.
It better be dirty looking.
Okay, so we're gonna eat.
Catch you later. Excellent hot dog. Excellent.
So this has tomatoes, pickles, onions. There's some peppers or something in that.
Yeah.
There's cheese. It almost like a, what does it taste like? Like a salsa. That's what it is. It's a salsa.
It does contain salsa.
Yeah. And it's really good. It is sloppy, so you better get a napkin.
Excellent. Excuse me. You weren't recording that, were you?
Actually, yes, it's recording right now. Okay, I'm into the cheese curds now. Get a little sauce. They're delicious. You're still eating your hot dog. Hence the difference in size between me and him. So what do you think of the cheese curds?
Kind of tasteless.
Really?
Yeah, I don't think I had anything in there. Maybe I did. I don't know.
I like them. They almost a little salty.
Deep fried stuff, sort of like deep fried stuff.
I love it. I absolutely love it. This is a great place. All this, the portions are a little
Large.
Yeah, they're a little extreme. So you better, if you come here, ask the size of stuff before you actually get it.
Sorry.
Oh, okay, guys. So we're at Ray Ray's Port Hope. I'll put up the address and that. How much was that? $25?
$28.
28 bucks.
Two hot dogs, 2 pops.
Well, they're Mexi dogs,
and I can't eat them all. They're
he's
monstrous.
Done. And I took mine. I took mine back, folded mine up, and took it because I had a few, and I'm going, it's just too much.
There's a lot of food. It's good.
Surprisingly enough, that Mexi dog was filling. It was really filling.
It's like a jumbo hot dog.
And it's full of flavor. It's not hot, but it is full of flavor. So if you're around the Port Hope area, maybe slide by Ray Ray's and check it out. And you might want to look and see if he's open too, because when he runs out of food, he's out of food. That's it. Done. He closes down for the day.
And it's only summer hours. He's not.
Yeah. So while you're out on your vacation,
treat yourself to a wheel adventure.
That's right. Okay, guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks very much. Take care.
Ciao.
Be safe on the road.